big ass, I get that ooh, big ass, I get that ooh.
What's up, my jazzy people? How are y'all doing today? Happy Saturday. I am up and out. It's almost noon. I'm on my way to the nail shop to get my nails and my feet done real quick. I have a reception to go to later, so it is gonna be, it's 84 degrees right now, so we're gonna have beautiful hot and humid weather today. So y'all know these toes gotta be out. When them toes is out, they gotta be right. So that's what I am on my way to do real quick. Yeah, guys, so I said, you know what, I'm gonna record today and get, you know, a little bit of, you know, vlogging going. I'm trying to get back on my vlog kick, guys. So that's what I am up to. And yeah, what else, whatever else I'm doing today, guys, I will bring you along. I am actually about to park right now, and I will check back in with you guys soon. Okay, no problem.
Have a seat here. You like it, right?
A few hours later.
All right, so apparently I'm dressed, guys. I have not checked in since I left the nail shop. Time was not on my side today, so I just started rushing. I ended up getting my nails. These are my nails. I showed you guys my toes once I got done. I just got a oval shaped French tip manicure. Y'all, what a day, what a day. I'm like,
go past this light.
Okay,
and at the next one, turn right.
Hold on, y'all. Where am I? Oh, okay. I'm trying to get directions. So I'm going on my way to the reception. It's just like,
at the light, turn right onto Genesis.
Girl, be quiet. I be wanting things to go smooth. Like, I work so much the day that I do have off. I just want it to be smooth. I hate rushy.
In 3/4 of a mile, turn left to Jefferson Avenue.
I'm dressed and I'm on my way to my destination. I just have on like these pleated pants and this rib knit shirt. I'll show you guys if I get to a mirror or whatever. Yeah, guys, pants are from 9 West. I got these pants from Kohl's. This shirt is from Kohl's as well. I think this is a 9 West shirt. Yo, don't sleep on Kohl's, y'all. They got some cute casual gear. It could be for whatever you want it to be for, you know what I'm saying? Church, work, you know, brunch, an occasion like I'm going to now. Depending on what your style is, it can be
at the next light, turn
it
left.
can be night, you know, for the, you know, a night out on the town type of. But they got some cute stuff, they really do. It's not granny. They, like I said, it ain't granny style. They stepped it up. You know, if you know how to put your stuff together, it can be fly. So don't sleep on Kohl's. I don't know what everybody Kohl's is like, but if you're in Buffalo, the Kohl's on Delaware, they got some cute pieces. So, and they've been having a lot of sales lately. They're also adding a Sephora to that store. They're doing some renovation. So yeah, so check them out, guys. Once I get here, this is my best friend mother's reception. I don't really know her family like that, so I'm not gonna really be vlogging like that.
In 1 mile, turn left onto Clinton Street.
If I have a, you know, chance, you know, I might tape a little bit. If not, I don't know, we'll just see what happens. So I will check back in with you guys whenever I can.
Just want to feel the vibe. Ladies, help me sing it. You said what? I love you anyway. Yeah. To a spot that. Oh, here you go. The hell left the gate open? What was that? What? Oh. All right, that's better.
I told him I was going.
Several days later.
Good morning. What's up, my jazzy people? How are y'all doing? It is your girl Jazz checking in. Listen, y'all, I just randomly checked in sporadically. I was not gonna vlog today, and I gotta stop doing that. It's like when I'm out and about doing things that may be entertaining, I don't be feeling like recording, and which I should, because it makes the vlogs more interesting. So right now, me and my daughter, we just came from the dentist. She had a dentist appointment. Her routine cleaning that we do every 6 months. No cavity club, period. But anyway, so yeah, so we're out and about. We are about to do something we have not done in a very, very long time. We're about to catch the train. We are about to park and ride, and we are about to get on the train, and yeah, we're about to take the train downtown. Our train, oops, sorry y'all. Our train station is, our transit, what they call it? Yeah, transit rail station is very small in our city. So it's really a straight route. It's not like New York City where, you know, you be in a whole nother borough and be lost. Ours is literally a straight route. So yeah, that's what we're about to do. I'm about to actually park and ride right now. We're on our way to the train station. So I'm actually just showing my daughter, you know, the ropes, you know, because she never, last time she been on the train, I think how old were you? You remember?
I don't know.
She was little. She always been blessed to be chauffeured around, child. Okay, and you know, and we've been blessed to always, you know, be able to have a vehicle to get around in. So, you know, not everybody can say that. So, gotta count your blessings. So, yeah, guys. So, that's what we about to do. It's a beautiful day. It's like, what time? What's the degrees? It's like 80 something. Yeah, like 85, 86. 85, yeah, 85. So, it's going to be very warm day. I love the summer. I love the warm weather. Is this blocked off? Yo, how we gonna see? Oh, we gotta walk up here. That's we usually be able to go on that side, walk down that way. But they blocked it off. They're doing construction, so we gotta walk back there. Okay. So yeah, guys, a beautiful day. I love the summer, love the warm weather. So we about to take advantage of this warm weather. And yeah, so and we got a good parking spot. So this is the park and ride section. The station we're at is actually like the last stop when you're taking a train. This is like the last stop in our city, or it can be the first stop depending on what direction you're going. So all right, guys, so I'll check back in. Give me a second. Those detour signs, we're usually able to walk that way, but since they're doing construction, we're going to be walking down this way where that one sign is down there. Ooh, child, it's been a minute, child. It's been a minute. It's been a minute, but we about to make it fun. Right, Miss Thang? You about to make it fun, right? Y'all like my glasses? I thought these were so cute. I got these shades from JCPenney's. I said, oh, they kind of fly. Today I'm just rocking a denim romper, one piece short set romper, and my white chucks, chilling. I wore this before. I wore this last year. I broke it out this year, so you know, it's giving comfy, cute. You know what I'm saying? My legs need a tan anyway. They lighter than the rest of my body. All right, guys, so we are walking towards the train station, and I'll be right back. All right, guys, so we are about to enter the train station behind me. If you guys ever heard of the University of Buffalo, this is the University of Buffalo College. Looks like they are doing construction there as well. They're always doing construction in this damn city. It's like quite annoying. All right, guys, so we're inside. You see the sign right there? It's pointing to the buses. The buses usually go out there, but they're doing construction, so you're not going to go that way. I don't know how long that's going to last, but until then, you'll come in from that way, and then the aerial is showing you to the trains. So right here, I was trying to look that way. This is where you're gonna purchase your ticket. Okay. Now, let's say press any key to begin, and then it's asking you ages 5 to 11, adult. You're not in these age ranges. You 65 or no? So you're gonna press that. The adult, single, 2. Wait. Okay, so just for me and you. So we're gonna put, wait, what is it saying? Please select the number of passes. 2. Now, they want $10. So the money is gonna go in here. You see that? That's 1 and 2. So the passes are purchased. Now I'm about to show her how to enter through that way. Now, you can be silly if you want to and not pay for your pass. Sometimes security gets on to make sure you purchase the pass. If not, they'll take you to jail. I don't know, however that goes. The construction is being done out there. And these are broken. Really? So we're gonna be going down these stairs. They also have an elevator too, but we're young. Me too. We still moving and grooving, so we can take these stairs for exercise. Going up is the beast. It's the coming down part. That's the easy part. So, always look at those signs. Always going from that way, unless these direct you otherwise. But remember, I told you this is the last stop in our city, so you can't go wrong. Either the train gonna come from that way or that way. It's never both. So always pay attention to these. Look. Okay? Now. We're the only ones here. Wow. All right. Now, this always tells you the schedules of the times that the bus come, right? So you're always going to look at Monday through Friday. Inbound, we're inbound. You're going to downtown. If you were downtown, you would look at outbound because you're going to the university, which is here. Okay, so you see it has the AM, you see that? And the PM. So what time is it?
11 something a.m.
11, about like 11 something. So boom, we're at the university Braille station. It's 11. It's
11:21.
It's 11:21 right now. The next train should either be coming at, if it's on time, it maybe one's coming now because I feel the air, or 11:30. But I think a train coming now. So 11:15. Always look at what time it is. So if you miss this one, another one will come at the next. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Okay. You think you remember that? To this station next, this station, this gonna be underground up until right here, and this when you get outside. I mean, when we get from underground, this is downtown. This stops at each stop because people need to get on and get off. All right.
Carried away. Stop making a big deal out of the little things. Cause I got big deals and I got little things. Got everything I'm asking for, but you stop making a big deal out of the little things. Let's get carried away. Come right now, you know where I stand. I just wanna say you're mine, you're mine. I just wanna say you're mine, you're mine. What you heard, you're mine, you're mine. All I'm really asking for is you.
So I remember when I used to come downtown a lot, they always have like Thursday at the Square where they do live concerts. As you can see, they're setting up right there, and it'd be so nice. This is called the Fountain Plaza area, and they do like live concerts and stuff like that. Pretty cool. It's been a long time since I've, you know, sat and watched a concert here, but something to do, something to see, a little entertainment. All right guys, so we don't really have too much going on. We're just gonna walk around a little bit and just enjoy the warm weather. We're gonna go have lunch together or something, a little something to do, you know, just to enjoy our day. My day off, her day off. Yes y'all, because she's working. I don't know if you watched my vlog before. We was at a grocery store and I was like, Miss Thang need a job, Miss Thang has a job. So we both are going to enjoy our day off, and once we get to a destination, I will check back in. So we decided to eat outdoors today. We got a little patio setup going. And enjoy this weather because after September, y'all know, if you know, you know, we get nothing but crappy cold weather, snow. So we're gonna enjoy this vibe while we can. I need this table clean. Hi, can I get something to wipe the table with?
Yeah, I'll wash it for you.
I appreciate it, thank you. Those chicken wontons. Ooh. 10 out of 10. We'll recommend y'all. Sidelines on Delaware at downtown Buffalo if you are visiting.
10 out of 10.
A long walk ahead. Well, they dead wrong. That lady turned around, seen all these stairs. She said, "Get somebody else to do it."
Can you record me real quick?
Get somebody else to do it.
All right, we made it, guys. We made it back. My car say 98 degrees.
Hot air, so hot in here.
But it's probably like 80 something. Very warm day. Oh my God, how do y'all survive in the South, in Texas and those southern states, Atlanta? How do y'all do it? I'm sure this is nothing to y'all, but it's warm. I'm not complaining, but it's warm. Y'all gotta understand, we get a lot of cold weather. So when it get hot, we be like, yeah. But I don't, you know, don't get me wrong, I can't stand the wintry weather. But, you know, this is a little bit more than, sometimes you forget how hot it can get. I'll say that. When we finally, can you move back? Can I get out? Ma'am? Alrighty. People be impatient, sis. The spot is yours. Ciao. Anyway, yeah, you forget how warm it can get. So I got the AC on blast because I needed to hurry up. So yeah, we made it back to the car, y'all, from our little adventure, our lunch date. Did y'all see them stairs? I ain't caught the train in so long. You know what I'm saying? She just used to, like I said, getting used to being sheltered. So, not sheltered, chauffeured. Sheltered too. You know, these kids, these new generation, a little bit spoiled. But y'all, did y'all see them stairs? That old lady looked at them stairs and was like, get somebody else to do it. They need to hurry up and fix some escalators for the people that's not mobile enough to, you know, get around. But anyway, so guys, we are headed to the Galleria Mall. I need to pick up an order, some bras that I ordered, and I don't know, and see what else. It's still early. It's only like 1:34. So yeah, I don't know what else I have in store. I know my daughter, she like I would say she's like a niece to me. She's here from Carolina visiting her dad. Her dad is our neighbor, so she wants to hang out with Giselle today. So I don't know, we might get into something else later. Not sure what we're gonna do yet, but as soon as we get to the mall, I'll check back in.
So I'm gonna use my cream conditioner, all natural.
Make sure I'm actually back to bring back to your
First thing I'm gonna do is just dip that in a little bit of water, and I'm gonna go back and forth like a bad argument, right? Once you see it foam up like a crackhead on drugs, that's how you know that it's working. And it's used like my ex-girlfriend. So what we're gonna do is come all the way across, going back and forth, knocking all that dust and dirt off the shoe, just like this, alright? The whole purpose of my product is just to save you a little bit of money. I always say this, the average person spends anywhere from $80 to $200 on a good pair of shoes. If I can save you a couple $100, that's a win for the both of us, right?
So you gonna make the shoes look brand new again?
Yeah, now I need a little bit of soap on here.
What about them laces?
And I go back and forth just like this.
Oh, look at your laces.
Alright. Just like that. I dip it right back into some water. It works on leather, suede, canvas, nylon, the rubber, Nike shorts, Pumas, Converse, Vans, and Adidas.
Oh, this your product right here?
California. Just like that, we knocking all that dust off the fabric. Now
where you from here? Tell the people what your...
Me, I'm from Compton, California, Los Angeles.
What's your business name?
We're called friends. We came from San Diego, California.
Okay.
We're out here just trying to show people in New York about our product and spread the word. Just to show people what it does.
All right, my brother.
Just like ice cream, just like this. Try to knock all that dust and dirt off. Now what I do is I grab some of my white touch-up. What this is a white fabric dyer. What you'll do is you apply on any of the spots that are white just to give the shoe that crispier look. So you're gonna come all the way around, just like this. You're gonna whiten up that shoe fit you need, just to give it a brand new look, just like that, right?
Wow.
Just like that. You're gonna knock all that dust and dirt off, just like that. Now do me a favor, put those side by side. You see how they went from ashy to classy?
So she got to walk around with one dirty shoe?
No, I ain't gonna leave it hanging like my dad did. Good thing about that soap.
Listen, brother, I'll tip you. You can throw them in the washing machine. So he said the difference between putting your shoes in a washer and doing a manual job with the product, you'll rip the stitching off for your shoe over time, and with the product it doesn't turn your soles yellow or, you know, damage your sneaker. So that's the benefit. Y'all could be on the block, but y'all not. That's right. Yeah, he said we sell soap, not dope. My boy said we sell soap, not dope. I love that. All right, hold on, I got you. Period. It look good. Listen, dentist appointment and her feet was up. I was like, why you ain't clean your sneakers? And we ran into y'all. Look at God. Look at God.
So right, I come right back over here. And I go just like.
Okay, to keep my damn balance. All right.
Come with that white touch up. Let's go touch up the fabric just right here, all right?
Right.
All right.
Looking brand new.
He got me back. He got us back. Happy feet. Happy feet.
It's like open all the way up. It's $3.50.
Okay. Pretty. This one is cute too. The gold hardware.
That one's super pretty.
I love it.
Yeah. And that one you can wear as a crossbody or shoulder belt.
Oh, they got the denim. Is this denim? Oh, that's hot.
The other color is woven right into there. It's not stamped.
Okay. All right. We're just peeking inside. All right.
And we're having our summer sale as well. Everything over there is 50% off.
Okay.
And also at the front of the store on the table.
Oh, look at these. These are cute. Those are so cute. I'm coming back. You working now, baby. You working now, girl. Ask her the price of it.
Is the price tag on here?
$147.50. They marked down. How long is your sale for?
The sale is until
the Lululemon. I see a lot of the vloggers talk about the Lululemon, but I'm not like activewear. All right, it's just really not a big deal to me.
Right. We can get you in about 20 minutes from now if you want to wait for an appointment. So about 2:40, 2:45.
Can I just look in your phone?
All right, so we just came out of Apple. We're just trying to find out what our trade-ins will be for our phones because we plan on upgrading soon. I want to see what Lululemon is about. I hear a lot of the vloggers talk about it. Never been in here, my first time, so we're at the Galleria Mall. So we're about to check out Lululemon. Hi.
Tell me why you're crying, how can it be you?
We have all these numbers.
When you give me something,
Oh my God. Okay. All right, thank you.
When you see me on the air, coming on. If the world was dead, would you cry or would you try to get me? Tell me now, I want me to be glad. Tell me now, I need you to be glad.
All right, so I just came out of Lululemon. Lululemon can kiss my ass. Y'all, did y'all see them prices? Stretch pants for $148. I wish I would spend that amount of money on some athletic gear. I wish I would spend that much money on some goddamn athletic gear. Are you kidding me? Gotta be kidding me. Did you see them prices? No. Granted, I like my clothes, I like to shop, but certain things just, I'm not buying things just for the hype or because it's popular or whatever. I'm not spending no $100 on no damn stretch pants. Are you kidding me? But to me, it's just not worth it. Where I can go to somewhere cheaper. I can go to Marshall's and get some stretch pants for $10. Girl, bye. The catch to Lululemon is that the clothes make you look curvier. People just we need to just get in the gym and stop trying to filter everything and just call it like we see it. You know what I'm saying? Cause what? Good night. I had an AC on. Zara! Be like me, y'all. They want to be like me so bad. They want to be like me so bad. Dumb. Giselle.
Big ass, get that ooh, big ass, get that ooh.